Welcome to Ajax-by-the-Lake, a beautiful waterfront community boasting conservation areas, 7 kilometers of multi-use trails along Lake Ontario, rolling parklands, and fantastic recreation spaces. Represented by Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect Realty, 44 Strathy Road is a unique, custom-designed home situated on a premium-sized 75 by 130-foot lot. Showcasing a double-wide patterned concrete driveway and stone steps to a covered front porch with stone floor, ornamental railing, wood ceiling, and exterior pot lighting, recent renovations to the stunning 4-level side split added approximately 500 square feet of living space to the home, which offers light-filled and generously sized principal rooms, 3 bedrooms, and 2 gorgeous washrooms. Upon entry, the eye is drawn towards a tone-on-tone papered feature wall in the living room, accentuating the elegance and sophistication felt and seen throughout the home, which showcases exceptional finishes and details including hardwood flooring, LED pot lighting and upgraded ceiling light fixtures, crown moldings, as well as upgraded trims, baseboards, and interior doors, with both the kitchen and dining room additionally showcasing coffered ceilings. Absolutely stunning, the custom gourmet kitchen is an incredibly functional workspace and showcases stainless steel appliances including a French door fridge, oven with 5-burner gas cooktop, built-in microwave and dishwasher, quartz counters and mosaic backsplashes of glass, stone, and stainless steel, maple cabinetry with updated door and drawer pulls, and amazing storage that includes pot drawers, spice cabinets, and a Lazy Susan, as well as pendant lighting with the wall cutout and above the center island, which has breakfast seating and a prep sink to complement the main stainless steel double sink. The dining area exudes modern elegance, and off this space is the sliding door walkout onto a large composite deck with cedar and metal railings, and which steps down to a pool-sized backyard with a new cedar storage shed and a stone patio area also accessible from the lower ground level walkout. The living room's oversized entry into the dining room, as well as its shared open walls with the foyer and the kitchen, enhance the open concept layout of these spaces, and key to the warmth and ambiance of this home is the copious amount of natural light through well-placed large windows. The stairs to the upper level are finished with oak treads, white risers, and upgraded pickets with the oak railing. And to the left of the upper landing is the spacious second bedroom, which features an east-facing exposure, chair rail, a double closet, and a wall niche with a hardwood ledge. The gorgeous and generously sized master suite showcases west-facing windows with backyard views, a vaulted ceiling with a contemporary chandelier, room for a sitting area, as well as a walk-in closet with organizers and a pocket French door entry. This bedroom also has semi-private access to the spa-like 5-piece washroom, which has been luxuriously finished with porcelain tiles accented with mosaic borders, and which also showcases a glass shower with rainfall shower head, a soaker tub with a handheld shower, an updated toilet, as well as a furniture-style vanity with 2 vessel basins. Above the upper landing is a skylight, and as the stairs continue down to the lower ground level, directly off the lower landing is this home's second luxuriously finished spa-like washroom, which showcases porcelain flooring, a porcelain tiled glass shower with a mosaic accent border, shower seat, and wall niche, as well as a vanity with vessel basin. The third bedroom is also very spacious, has an east-facing exposure, and complementing its double closet are built into the wall storage drawers. Completing this level is a huge family room with coffered ceilings that divide the room into two distinct yet open concept spaces. An exceptional room for entertaining and personal enjoyment, this room has a sliding door walkout to the backyard and is beautifully enhanced with a built-in fireplace surrounded by floor-to-ceiling stacked stone. The finished basement level of this home features a nicely sized recreation area with laminate flooring, pot lighting, and crown moldings, with this space ideal as a games room, hobby room, or home office. And off this room is crawl space storage, as well as a large laundry room with washer, dryer, and built-in cabinets. Other great features of this home include a newer roof, newer furnace and air conditioning with upgraded air ducts, an owned hot water tank, as well as foam insulation, newer running pipes, and updated windows throughout, while the single-car garage comes with an opener and a remote and has R12 insulation. Offering the lifestyle of lakeside living in a great family neighborhood close to reputable schools, this home enjoys proximity to many other prime amenities, including shopping plazas, Durham Region Transit, GO Transit, quick access to the 401 and the 407, as well as community-oriented services, a conservation area, parks, and recreational facilities. If you wish to learn more about the Ajax-by-the-Lake communities or to book a private viewing of this fine home, contact Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect, directly at 416-409-4259 or email realestate@soniasampson.com.